YouTubers. Here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing, I do believe. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below if it's Amazon. And if it's not Amazon, their website will be down. So both links will be safe to click. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Yep, this is Amazon. Here we go. Coming from Ligency, Smart Indoor Outdoor RGBW+IC spotlights. These are super cool to have. You can have it outdoor, you know, Christmassy and parties and whatnot. Next one would be Labor Day. So, you know, stuff like that. If you're having barbecue parties at nighttime, birthday parties, graduation parties, and indoor, outdoor. This does it all. There's going to be an app to download. Download the app. Right there, it'd be Google or Android. I mean, Android or Apple Store. It's been a long day. Plug in. So it's easy to use. Warm light, 16 million colors. Definitely can't wait to put this together. Water resistant, easy install, timing, voice control, dimming, app control, group control. So you can have more than one lights in the group, you know. Alright, let's take a look at how these are. And then we'll put it on. Test it out. Oh, baby. Oh, these are really cool. Tiny little dudes. Alright guys, sorry about that. Allergies are kicking in. So we got a lot of mess right here. We got to untangle. Three. So we get 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A lot of wire. So that's a good thing if you're doing indoor, outdoor, maybe in the basement, gaming room. Your displays for memorabilia. Maybe your business, small shop, parties. Like I said. You got some stakes for the ground. Got some screws and bolts. You got these little guys. Not sure what these do, but we'll figure it out. Kind of screw in. Probably for the mounting bracket for indoor. Okay, let's take a look. Ooh, good old bubble tape. Bubble wrap. Oh yeah. Oh, that's really tiny. Holy moly. Oh, sweet pivots. Oh yeah, this is gonna look nice. Maybe you're doing a Halloween theme or Christmassy, you know? Something new, but a lot of people are doing the RGB world now. You know, it's RGB life. Yeah, save money on electricity. These are already programmed to your Alexa app. There we go, look at that. Really nice. Like I said, it's super tiny. That's where you're going to mount it. So I'll probably do it for indoor right now. And then maybe over the weekend I'll do another video of outdoor. I'm not sure yet where I'm going to have these throughout the house. Maybe I'm going to do the backyard. Or maybe the front. But I got solar lights in the front, so I'm not sure yet. But I got stake. So pretty normal to install these. Put it through here. They will download the app, and then you have to sign up for the app. Stuff like that. You know how it goes. Oh man, come on. So this is the method for outdoor. Here we go. Almost there. There we go. So it looks something like that. Just plant it on the ground and point away. You could swivel. Make sure it's nice in there. There we go, nice and tight. Like I said, these will probably be most likely outside. And this is for the indoor mounting. Gotta run it through that hole, you know, and then mount it on the walls or ceiling, whatever you're gonna do. We're gonna download the app right now, so give me a second, I'll be right back. Guys, once you install the app, it's called Smart Life app. It looks similar to this one. It says Smart Life right in the middle. It has a home on it. Click on that. That pulls up. And then I already uploaded it. It's called Spotlight right there. You just gotta hit add a device and it'll automatically scan for it. So that's really easy to do. And then let me get this better. There we go. So you could have like how many light bulbs you have. You can always connect more to them. But right now, I have 4. You can always edit device information. You can run it on the Alexa app and the Google Assistant. And always check for updates. You could do. You can change the color. I'll show you what they look like in a second. Right now, it is running over through the app. You can also change the themes. They got different scenarios like the Lotus Flower, Iceland Blue, Glacier Express, Sea of Clouds, Maple Leaf, Northland, Firefly Night, Late Autumn, Holidays, and so on. Then also got the music rhythm. It'll go through your voice, through the movies, gaming. You can see in the background a little bit. And the gaming. And the romance side. But you can always change the color. Set the countdown. You can have it timed on and off. Here we go. All scenarios. Got that. And then you can do this. And just edit. You can always rename it. And now always adjust the brightness. Always have it that way too. Or if you like it like go on this way. Only that's the square type. I like going this way. And of course they got the white version you could do. You can always edit how many bulbs you have. So I got 4 bulbs. Confirm. Okay, we got all activated. So I got 4 only. So that was pretty easy. And you could just switch around. And let me show you how they right there. You can see. Pretty cool. There's a 2. There's a 4. Like I said, you can have them hanging on the wall. If you have like a gaming room, arcade setup type deal, you could have them displayed like that. But this is what they look like up close. Really nice. Super bright though. And like I said, Alexa, turn off Spotlight.
Okay.
There we go. Alexa, turn on Spotlight.
Okay.
There we go. That works great. And colors, we'll do like the willow. So outdoor forests you could have like this. That's really cool. Iceland blue. This would be good for live streams. And there we go. We got this party scene, Lotus. Sea of clouds. Fireworks at sea. Cherry blossom. Hut in the snow. That's pretty cool. Yeah, these cover a good amount. So if you're going to do this outside, you know, buy 2 of them. Now, so you could always add them on. Really easy to add on other sets to them. So they got a cord and it's waterproof safe. So Northern Lights. And now I'll just show you the cord. And I'll be done for... Oh, jeez. Everything's falling. I'll show you the... how to hook up the extra ones. If I could find it. Where did it go? Oh, there it is. So right here. Got this one, has a cap on it. Untwist. Oops. There we go. Give it a good twist. And bada boom, just plug it in. You could add another set. Then once you get that set, you can always add a set to that set. And so on and so on. So like I said, if you got a big home, you could do it that way. Or if you're going to hook these up in a basement type setting, you could do it that way. Either or. Definitely check these guys out. Ligency. But yeah. Pretty cool. Alright, YouTubers, that's it for today. Sorry for the long video. You guys be safe out there. And see you guys soon.